Hello, my name is Salvador, and I tell you a little story about my Ictclil subject. The first challenge was to create a portfolio that the name is Learning, Dreaming, and Growing Up. You can follow me if you want to see all the things that I did. I create many different things. For example, in the module 0, that the name is First Things First, I need to create a presentation about me, and I choose to create it with Python. Can you see my presentation in my blog? The second challenge is about Twitter. I create an account and I learn many different things by twittering. If you want to follow me, only need to put Salvador 1987 LOP. The last task is about my PLE and my PLN. If you want to know more, you can see in my blog. In the module 1, the name is Search, Filter, Analyze, and Create. I need to create a common license for my e-portfolio. You can see all the things that I did, and I explain many different things about how to create a license for my e-portfolio in my blog. The second part is about Pinterest. I create an account and you can see all the board that I have and all the images and pictures that I share with my classmate. In the next challenge is the module 2, is Evaluate and Prototype and Ictclil project. In this situation, I create an evaluation, a little rubric about how to evaluate it, Ictclil project. You can see all the things that I put, and I create a presentation to evaluate a project in my blog. Also, I need to create in the second part of the module a project prototype. In this situation, you can see, for example, this is the e-project things about previous knowledge. It's about prehistory. Okay? You can see more about this video in YouTube. Okay, only need to look for e-project prototype prehistory and you can see the video. Okay, in the next challenge is the module 3, the name is One Goal, One Artifact. This challenge is in group, and the first thing that we create is an infographic, and it's a very beautiful info. It's about Mario Bros. In how to create your own timeline. The next task is about the planning a video. We create a little comic to planning the video, and then we record the video with my classmate. I put a little part of this, for example, here with two of my classmates, we create and the romance, also many different aspects about how you need to create your own timeline. The next task, we create a slideshow. All these things you need, if you need to know more about this, is in my blog. But the most important aspect is to participate in a Choco Talk. Here you can see, or you can watch a little part of this Choco Talk. And if you want to watch this video, only need to look for the Choco Talk about Ictclil in YouTube. Okay, about the next task is the module 4 is Workbook Day. In this challenge, we create a Aurasma. This is my Aurasma. You can follow me in Salvador 1987 Lab, very similar or the same in Twitter. And you can see what type of reader am I and why I decided to choose the Iris legend. All the things that I did in this challenge I explain in my blog. And in the next task is the module 5 is the assessment. In this situation I need to create a rubric, and I decided to use Genially, and you can see all the presentation in Genially and also in my blog. I explain the criteria things to create my rubric and how to evaluate it or assess my e-project. Okay, I'm finished this part of the presentation, and I decided to choose two of tools about all this subject. If I need to choose in this case my favorite tools, I think that the best for me, in my opinion, is eMovie. It's very easy to use these tools. It's very clear. Only need to put the picture and put you write the thing that you need to put, and only you create and upload to YouTube. I think that also Powton is an amazing tool. You can create many different things with this resource, and inside this you can find many different type of picture and images. And that's all. Thank you very much for listening and watching this video. Bye bye.